I've had this hair in for a couple weeks now and it's time to take it out. The hairstyle was so tight, I feel like some of my edges are gone from it. When I did the hairstyle, it was so tight, it was so itchy, I wanted it out of my head. But it was fine though, it was fine. This is what I wanted, very tiny. I didn't do this myself. The woman who did the hairstyle for me for a long time, she did my hair when I was like a child. So I'm like, okay. And when she was making the hair, it wasn't painful, but it was tight. I could feel that it was tight. And then when she finished, a couple hours after she finished, that's when all the pain just came onto my scalp for no reason at all. I want to try doing a wash and go on this hair because I don't have the energy to wash my hair and detangle and do all that. So as I'm losing the hair, like the cornrows, I'll just be applying the product and applying the gel. Once I've loosed one, this is just one piece, I'm going to apply this curl cream to my hair and then this big Eco Styler gel. I don't know why I bought the pink one. I should have just gone with the water-based one or the argan oil one, but I wanted to try something new. This is actually the worst Eco Styler that I've tried. I give it a 2 out of 10. It did nothing. It even made my hair worse and it left fragments of gel on my hair, and the red one has never done that to my hair. So this is maybe because it's not for my hair type, but I definitely do not like it and I wouldn't be buying it again. I'll be using this one and this, then I'll be brushing it out with my Tangle Teaser. Oh, look at that legs. I'm done with this side and I know it looks white, but I'm starting to do this side. And so far I'm actually seeing some curl definition, but it's shrinking, so I'll have to work fast, I guess. But this isn't the hairstyle that I even want to do today. I'm just trying this out because I've never done it before. And this is the hairstyle that I'm actually doing today, so as soon as I'm done with this one, I'll just wash it out and start what I'm supposed to do. 2 hours later and I'm done. This is how the hair looks up close. I give it a shake and everything. I'm not going to wait for it to dry. This is the amount of hair that shed. Do I like it? No, I don't like it. I feel disgusted about like the amount of gel that's in my hair. It's very disgusting. It feels disgusting. I can't wait to wash it out right now. The gel isn't strong at all. It feels like water. My hair was dripping when I didn't spray lots of water in my hair. And I don't like this hairstyle. Even if it's dry, I'll never go outside looking like this. This part of the video is very important because of the fragments of gel that was left in my hair. This is how I washed it out. So first I started off by rinsing, trying to rinse it off. So I put a lot of water in my hair, and as I'm rinsing it off, I'm pulling at my hair and the gel fragments are falling off. So I use this oil and I drench my hair in it. Like I think I used almost a quarter of the bottle and I just finished it on my hair. Make sure your hair is drenched in this. That pulling motion is very important to get all the gel fragments out. After that, I just covered my hair with a shower cap. I don't know how long I waited, maybe 5 minutes. And then I tried rinsing off the oil. This is just so they can easily slip out of my hair. I don't know why, but it worked. It worked for me. Then I used this shampoo. I drenched my hair in oil, but this shampoo still lathered. You see that? Like, this shampoo is the goat. It smells so good. You don't even need a large amount for it to lather, nor do you even need to wash your hair twice. This is just my first wash, and I drenched my hair in oil, and you can see for yourself. Then I rinse my hair out, and I use my deep conditioner. Put my hair in bounce knots because it's easier to put in and it's easier to take out. There's the amount of hair that shed. Then I rinse it out. I'm so tired. I want to sleep. I am so tired. I'm actually so tired of doing this, but I have to finish what I started because sleeping like this will be very uncomfortable. So anyway, the usual, this is my hair out of the shower, and I'll divide it into 4 parts now. My hair feels like a wet sponge. I'll put this on my hair, on this section of my hair. So I went ahead to do my regular, twist at the back to bring less tension to the back of my neck. Since this is a type of cornrow, I have gotten so good at cornrows, I don't even need the double mirror thingy, the double mirror method, if I do say so myself. So I am going to part my hair. This hairstyle shouldn't take long. I hope it doesn't take long because I'm not trying to stay here for a long time. So I'll start by parting my hair in half. I'm going to start with this side because that's what I feel like doing. So now I'll part my hair downwards like this, or pre-part rather, downwards like this. A rubber band and tight. Then I'll do it again. Try to make them the same size. Just 1, 2, 3, like that. Then you do this all the way like straight down. So now that we've gotten the blueprint of our braid, let's start braiding. I'll start from here and then go like this all the way down.